A metal ball rolls through sand, endlessly creating and erasing tracks. Sisyphus merges decor, furniture, and tech with stunning kinetic art. And now you can make your own kinetic art on Sisyphus. Welcome to Composing 101. We have an exciting update to share with you all. A new beta version of Sisyphus for the Rest of Us is now available on your web browser. This means that with a few clicks, you can turn an image file, a JPEG or PNG, into a stunning kinetic art track. If you're not familiar with Sisyphus track requirements and track files, start at the beginning of our tutorial playlist in the description below. If you're already up to speed, let's start making tracks. With Sisyphus for the Rest of Us, you don't need to draw a track. You can download an image. This is great for those who are not inclined to draw, but this does not mean you can upload any picture. We recommend doing a Google image search for the content you're looking for, followed by color pages. This will help you easily find line-based images, which will read better in the software and eventually your table. For those who like to draw, you can still do that as well, but there's no need to use SVG files and vector software format rules as described in previous episodes. When going from pen and paper to digital, be sure to adjust brightness and contrast to ensure that the software can read and convert your image as close to your vision as possible. Despite different approaches, there is still a common rule between the two. All lines must be connected. Feel free to edit the image with any paint editor to make sure this is the case. Now that your image is prepared, let's turn it into a track. First, visit the Sisyphus for the Rest of Us beta site. Feel free to follow the link in the description of the video. In the gear icon to the right, you can select if you'd like to add an optional erase track at the beginning. This means that even though you can no longer layer this track over others, it will always play with a clean erase in the background. If you'd like to layer your track on top of other tracks in your playlist, be sure to unselect this option. Select your PNG or JPEG. Make sure your image is composed of black lines, all of which are touching, with no islands. Make sure that your strokes are on a solid white background. This will make it easier for the software to correctly convert your image. Then hit Convert. Wait for your image to convert. Once completed, you'll see a preview of your track, and the THR file will download to your device. If your image did not convert as expected, double check and make sure you have all lines connected in your image. If the trouble persists, let us know. The site is in beta, and we aim to iron out any conversion issues as they arise. If you're happy with the results, it's time to upload your track. Open your Sisyphus app and tap on Settings. From Settings, select Advanced. The second row down is your URL. On your computer browser, type in this URL into the search bar and hit Enter. It should then connect to your Sisyphus, and the screen should show your Sisyphus app interface in the web browser. If this did not work, make sure that your computer and table are on the same Wi-Fi network, and try again. Once you have connected your computer browser to your Sisyphus, tap Settings, Advanced, and then Upload Track. Hit Choose Tracks, and select the ThetaRow file we created with Sisyphus for the Rest of Us. Select Upload. Give it a moment to load, and once you see the thumbnail image appear, and it looks as expected, hit Save. Congrats! You have officially uploaded your track. Add it to your favorite playlists and watch your kinetic art in motion. Want to share your track with the world? Visit webcenter.sisyphus-industries.com. Create an account and start uploading tracks to the Community tab. We hope that by opening Sisyphus for the Rest of Us to more operating systems, that it will open doors for many who want to play with new ways of composing tracks. We'll be keeping you all updated on software changes and new composing techniques in future episodes. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest composing tools and tips. If you want to know more about how Sisyphus works, how it reads ThetaRow mapping, and the intricacies of the program, please see the guide in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and tune in next time for Composing 101.